Hi, this is part 2 for my Enhancement 2 video. This part's dealing specifically with the database connection files. So this is my connections PHP page. It's all here. My error page that I connected so that it just looks like everything else. So when my connections page is working, it's blank. I didn't know if it needed to be connected to something or if we were supposed to insert a line of code into the web, like the site itself. So I just decided to leave it where it is. So when the connections page is working, it's blank. And when I break the code, this is what it looks like. I get to my error page that just says server error, sorry, server experienced problem, check back with this later. Again, I didn't know if there was anything that needed to be included specifically, so that's just what I threw in. And I mean, my connections page is in a folder called library in the Acme folder. My 500 page is in the view in the Acme folder as well. Sorry, it's in a view folder within the Acme folder as well. And I think that's everything we're supposed to include in this video. So yeah.